Everyone thinks the next world war will start with explosions on the ground, but modern warfare doesn't begin on Earth anymore. It begins in space, where the real battlefield is invisible. Today, countries like United States, China, and Russia rely heavily on satellites orbiting above us. These satellites control military communication, guide missiles, and power navigation systems like GPS that the entire world depends on. Without them, armies lose coordination, weapons lose accuracy, and entire nations go blind in real time. And here's what most people don't know. Anti-satellite weapons already exist. In 2007, China destroyed one of its own satellites in orbit. In 2019, India proved the same capability, and both United States and Russia have tested similar systems. One successful strike in space, and satellites begin to disappear. GPS signals fail, secure communication breaks, even civilian systems like banking, flights, and internet timing start collapsing. In modern warfare, the strategy is simple. Blind the enemy first, then strike. Because the side that controls space controls the war. Subscribe to GeoArtist. Stay informed, stay ahead.